You can actually record your laptop screen without installing any software. It's very easy. So the first thing you do is to click on Windows key. You click on Windows key plus Shift plus R. Windows key plus Shift plus R. So let me do that. Windows key plus Shift plus R. When you see something like this, this will give you the opportunity to record all the screen or part of the screen. Maybe this, the part you want to show your recording to be based. You can do that, or you extend it. You want to record just a small portion of it, you can record just a small portion of it depending on what you want to do. If you are done with that, you will now click on unmute the mic, unmute the microphone, so that whatever you are recording, people can hear your voice. But if you don't want people to hear your voice, then you can go on to mute the mic. When you are done, you click on start. When you are done, you click on start. It will read 3, 2, 1, then you are live. So as at now, we are live. Whatever you are doing, people can actually see it. Whatever you are doing, people can actually see what you are doing. If you want to pause in the middle of the recording and do something else and come back, you can just click on pause and the timer will stop. When you are okay and you want to continue, you click on the play and then the timer will start reading for you to continue. If you are done with your recording and you want to save it, just go to the green button, click on it, and your recordings will be automatically saved to your screen recordings folder. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video and subscribe. Bye bye.